It has been a long day in Washington with senators investigating accusations of sexual assault against Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh.
It began this morning with Christine Blasey Ford testifying about the night she says Kavanaugh sexually assaulted her.
I am here because I believe it is my civic duty to tell you what happened to me while Brett Kavanaugh and I were in high school.
My family and my name have been totally and permanently destroyed by vicious and false additional accusations.
Kavanaugh's wife was by his side as he entered today's hearings. He opened with some strong words and at times was visibly upset, holding back tears.
WCCO political reporter Pat Kessler has been following the hearings for us today. He joins us now. Pat, you could say that Minnesota Senator Amy Klobuchar played a significant role today.
Yeah, she really did, and what a day it was. 9 long hours of this. We witnessed a national drama unfolding today in Washington. The Supreme Court nominee trying to salvage his integrity and searing accusations from Dr. Ford that Kavanaugh assaulted her in high school. Democratic senators renewed their calls for an FBI investigation, including Minnesota Senator Amy Klobuchar. She asked Kavanaugh about his drinking, which drew an unexpected, harsh, caustic response.
So you're saying there's never been a case where you drank so much that you didn't remember what happened the night before or part of what happened?
You're asking about, blackout. I don't know. Have you?
Could you answer the question, Judge? That's not happened. Is that your answer?
Yeah, and I'm curious if you have.
I have no drinking problem, Judge.
Yeah, nor do I.
Okay.
Comments were unexpected, politically shocking. Klobuchar's father is an alcoholic. After tempers cooled, Kavanaugh came back and he apologized.
I started my last colloquy by saying to Senator Klobuchar how much I respect her and respected what she did at the last hearing, and she asked me a question at the end that I responded by asking her a question, and sorry I did that. This is a tough process. I'm sorry about that.
I appreciate that. I would like to add, when you have a parent that's alcoholic, you're pretty careful about drinking. And the second thing is, I was truly just trying to get to the bottom of the facts and the evidence.
Boy, what an emotional day it was. The Judiciary Committee is expected to take a vote tomorrow. But at this point, it's very hard to predict anything. In just the last few minutes, President Trump tweeted his support for Kavanaugh, saying Kavanaugh's testimony was powerful, honest, and riveting. Democrats' search and destroy strategy is disgraceful. The president goes on to say the Senate must vote. So as I say, Republicans are meeting tonight. They could have enough votes, but there was some shaky votes in there, so we don't know which way this is exactly going. Officially, the Judiciary Committee will vote tomorrow, and then the Senate probably sometime next week, if it gets out of this committee. Who knows after these last few weeks?
Yeah, really. All right. Keep us posted. We'll see you tomorrow.
You bet.
All right. Thank you, Pat.